Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my kids' favorite things to eat. They enjoy it as a snack and as lunch too. It's the easiest thing you can put together. For this I'm using leftover chicken. I made a roast yesterday and I had half of it left. So this is about 300 grams of chicken that I've cut into cube. You can use rotisserie chicken, leftover chicken, you can even boil fresh chicken. Whatever you have, then I'm mixing it with some green onions and some cheese that I just shredded. You can use any cheese of your choice in this recipe, and this is the basic filling you can use, and you can make this with any filling that you like. To bind everything together, I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and you can use cream cheese as well. Now taste your filling before you add salt and pepper, especially if you're using pre-cooked chicken like I used, which was cooked with salt and pepper already. It might not need any salt and pepper. And now the star of the show, we are not using puff pastry, you guys. I am using the most staple item you can get from any desi grocery store, probably all over the world, are these frozen Lachha parathas. And you want to leave them on your counter for 10 to 12 minutes depending on your room temperature, so that they are pliable enough to be easily folded. And all you have to do next is fill them and wrap them and bake them. It's that easy. You don't need any preparation, you don't need to wait for anything. You just fill it and bake it and they're good to go. Now you can make one large one using a single paratha, or you can cut your parathas into half to make small ones. Here I'm using my no-cook pizza sauce to make a little bit of pizza. I've added a little bit of green peppers inside the filling as well. Like I mentioned, you can customize them any way you like. Maybe make 2 batches, one a little bit spicy, one with just salt and pepper for the kids. Endless variations and endless possibilities. So to finish off my strudels, I'm going to put some egg wash and some Parmesan cheese. You can use anything you like. Any seeds, sesame seeds work pretty well. You can use those too. And then bake it at 350 for 25 to 35 minutes or till they're golden brown. And you have your delicious strudels ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing. Until next time, the Homemaker Baker over and out.